Welcome back to G Mercedes in Cedar City, Utah with this 1995 290 GD. So a 2.9 liter 5-cylinder engine. We talk about the upgrades later. So a 290, of course 4-wheel drive. At least you engage the 4-wheel drive. So basically you drive the vehicle in a 2-wheel drive configuration, and on the fly you can switch into 4-wheel drive if needed. Of course with transfer case and an extra low so that you can crawl, etc. This vehicle completely restored, nut and bolt. It was in a super nice low mileage original condition, and we took it completely apart. We zinc and powder coated the frame, so everything is basically in a new condition. Your plastic tank, of course everything on brakes, brake lines, etc. Everything is new, as are all the bumper ends, your fender flares, all the black parts basically on the vehicle are new, including your locks, so everything locks with one key, your professional style mirrors, and of course, needless to say, everything Mercedes, no repro parts. The rims are original, 16-inch steel, love them, they are the best, nothing beats the steel wheels. We also added the professional snorkel, and as you can see, complete repaint in a concrete gray. That way the utilitarian look of the vehicle is preserved. Everything was repainted, so it was completely body off, inside, outside, etc. The dash was repainted as well, of course in the original Mercedes color. We added the AC, brand new system, works absolutely perfect. Your 5-speed overdrive transmission, your 4-wheel drive, your rear locking differential. All the seats are new upholstered, original Mercedes. Cloth material, we added the rear seats, so you have the same, basically the same seats as in the front. They are a bit different on the side, and also the bucket is different to make them fit. Your passenger side seat, it tilts forward so that there is an easy access into the back. Your cargo area, including 2 small jump seats, and you can flip them up as what we did on this side. So depending on your needs, they can be stored out of the way or you can use them. It has some original tie downs, and we also have the tie downs that fit to that included. Of course, seat belts on your rear single seats as well. All your bumpers, etc. Everything is zinc and powder coated. as are these little frames on the taillights. The engine, we upgraded it to turbo diesel, so approximately 140 horsepower now. Your Toyo tires, 235/85/16 is your tire size, and that works absolutely well with your ring and pinion, your 5-speed overdrive, and of course your turbo-charged engine with an upgraded cooling system as well. So we now have an aluminum radiator, the turbo, your 24 volts, of course 2 batteries of 12 makes 24. Your calibrated diesel pump, which sits right there in a new condition. Your AC system is running with 2 fans, and it works absolutely great. Of course, your plastic tank, no steel tank anymore. Your tow hitch, 2-inch. So if you have any questions about this fully restored 290 2.9 liter turbo diesel 5-speed overdrive transmission, including AC, in a very nice restored condition, running absolutely super nice. Please let me know any questions. info@g-mercedes.com or by phone 435-559-0104. We are located in southern Utah. I appreciate your time, as always. Thank you so much, and see you with another G-Class.